On state of Bihar. With the nomination deadline for phase 1 of the Bihar Assembly elections just 2 days away, the NDA has surged ahead with BJP announcing candidates for 71 seats. But the Mahagathbandhan is yet to finalize its seat sharing, sparking uncertainty within the alliance. Congress has held a CEC meet yesterday, which lasted late at night, and the Jan Swaraj Party founder, Prashant Kishore, will not be taking on Tejasvi Yadav in Raghupur, is what we are learning, as he has named Chanchal Singh for that seat. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be addressing booth-level BJP workers from Bihar today at 6 in the evening under the Mera Booth Sabse Mazboot campaign, seeking grassroots feedback ahead of polls in the state. Getting some breaking news updates now. Despite completing the seat-sharing talks, we are learning of tensions that have erupted within the NDA camp in Bihar. Rashtriya Lok Morcha chief Upendra Kushwaha has openly expressed dissatisfaction, saying, and I'm quoting, "Nothing is well in the NDA." Listen in.
दिल्ली जा रही है एनडीए जो कुछ भी अभी तय कर रहा है उसके संबंध में विमर्श का कुछ मुद्दा बाकी है। इसी विषय पर बात करने के लिए दिल्ली जा रहे हैं और सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, इस उम्मीद के साथ, इस विश्वास के साथ जा रहे हैं।
Let me take this across to my colleagues Payal and Madhuparna, who are joining us on the broadcast. Payal, coming to you first. The first meeting with the alliance partners that happened at JP Nadda's residence lasted well into the evening, and the meeting with Upendra Kushwaha lasted several minutes. We were told more than an hour, possibly 90 minutes. Deliberations went into late in the evening, and yet we see this sort of a statement that's coming in from Upendra Kushwaha. He's not happy with that 6-6 number that has been given to his party and Jitan Ram Majhi's party.
Well, of course, Upendra Kushwaha has expressed himself and said that he should have been given more numbers. That's the indirect indication that you've got, because he put out a tweet really apologizing to people who could not have been given a ticket because of the lack of tickets that he's really got. But there is more than what actually meets the eye over here. Very interestingly, while Upendra Kushwaha is making this statement ahead of leaving for Delhi, he has Nityanand Rai by his side. Nityanand Rai is a BJP leader as well, so very interesting that he's making this comment with Nityanand by his side. But of course, there are multiple things to be looked into as well. So, for example, the Hindustan Awan Morcha has got 6 seats, but they've been promised an MLC as well. What other promises are being made to Upendra Kushwaha? Because there's also a buzz in the central circle that Upendra Kushwaha was promised that he would be made a member of Modi's cabinet as well. So is that really going to be on the cards? So multiple things are being worked out, but the BJP sources are telling us very clearly, Griya, that there is nothing to worry. There are no major differences. There's nothing like which is earth-shattering. Of course, there are a lot of combinations that really happen. We're given to understand that some JDU leaders also came to the national capital just yesterday, and they met the BJP top leadership and discussed certain things as well. So as of now, what the BJP is saying that all is well in the NDA. There's nothing to panic. The situation is certainly not like what is there in the opposition camp.
Right. Do stay on with us, Payal. Let me also bring in Madhuparna now. She's joining us live from the RJD office in Patna. Madhuparna, even while there are conjectures that are rife that everything is well, this sort of a statement has come in from Upendra Kushwaha, talking about how there are further deliberations that are needed when it is about seat sharing within the NDA. What is happening at the Mahagathbandhan camp?
We are standing in front of the RJD office in Patna, and the buzz in and around the office is absolutely unmistakable. All eyes are on Raghupur now, because that is the seat which is not only a political turf but an emotional ground for the Yadav family, and that is where Lalu Prasad Yadav and Rabdi Devi, they built a legacy, and their son Tejasvi Yadav, he took it forward, turning that particular seat into RJD's strength and survival. It's a symbol of RJD's strength. We do have some workers, they have just started coming in. We can also get some voices here. आज तेजस्वी जी की नॉमिनेशन फाइलिंग भी है, तो आप लोगों को क्या लगता है कि ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट चुनाव होने वाला है उसके लिए?
नहीं नहीं, हमारे नेता का चुनाव में कोई नहीं है। हमारे नेता जितने बार लड़े हैं उससे दुगुना मार्जिन से इस बार चुनाव जीतेंगे। और मैं बता देना चाहता हूं कि जो भी विपक्ष जो सरकार है जो हमारे नेता के विरोध कार्रवाई कर रहा है उसका कोई असर नहीं पड़ेगा और मेरा नेता डबल मार्जिन से इस बार चुनाव जीतेंगे।
और आप लोगों को लगता है कि तेजस्वी जी अभी प्रॉमिस कर रहे हैं कि सबको एक एक नौकरी मिलेगा अगर वो सरकार में आ गए तो? सारे बिहार में सारे फैमिली से एक मेंबर को नौकरी मिलेगा। और इधर हम लोग ये भी देख रहे हैं कि नीतीश जी की जो गवर्नमेंट है वो काफ़ी सारा स्कीम्स अनाउंस कर चुके हैं ऑलरेडी। बहुत सारी स्कीम्स का ये जो महिलाओं के लिए है उसमें पैसा भी अभी तक पहुंच चुका है, बहुतों को पहुंच रहा है। तो आपको क्या लगता है कि कौन सी अनाउंसमेंट का ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है वोटर्स के ऊपर?
देखिए, ये जो सरकार है भ्रष्ट सरकार 10-10 हज़ार रुपया जो महिलाओं के खाते में डाल रही है वो तो पैसा वापस लेना हो तो जीविका महिलाओं को दिया जा रहा है। और हमारे नेता का विजन है कि हर महीना प्रत्येक महिला के खाते में 2500 रुपया जाएगा, वो एक साल का 30,000 रुपया, जिससे घर का बजट कम हो जाएगा। महंगाई कम करने के लिए हमारे नेता ने 500 रुपये में सिलेंडर देने का वादा किया है। हमारे नेता ने बुजुर्गों को पेंशन 1500 रुपया देने, ये तो चीटर सरकार है। हमारे नेता का
We will
विजन
come
को
back to
चुरा
these
रही
voices.
है।
They are important voices that you are getting us from Patna, from the capital city of Bihar. But Pallavi, coming to you now, no deliberation, no amount of deliberation really was handy for the Mahagathbandhan to come to a consensus on seat sharing. And then there is this case against the Yadav family. What really happens to that announcement? Just a couple of days more left.
Well, Griha, if we talk about today, when that nomination is going to be filed by Tejasvi Yadav, frankly speaking, in any other day, one would have expected someone high profile going in from the Congress party. No clarity yet whether Rahul Gandhi is going to be there by the side of Tejasvi Yadav. This is what Gathbandhan and alliance is usually all about. In the NDA, you would naturally see big ticket leaders or the BJP making it a point to show that the alliance is thick and they're standing together. In the Mahagathbandhan, despite the fact that Tejasvi Yadav and Rahul Gandhi share a very good and cordial relationship, I would say it's a warm relationship, I think the symptoms are that everything is not smooth. There was a CEC meeting which took place last night, but there was a Congress internal meeting which took place day before. And in that internal meeting, many of the Congress leaders made the larger point that, we know RJD is a bigger party as far as Bihar goes, but we are a national party. At one point of time, we were in power in Bihar in the sense of, we had our own chief minister. Why is it that we are expected to bend backwards and we are also expected to be generous to accommodate the other allies like the left or the VIP? And that is where I think the problem has begun. From agreeing to, say, contesting on 50 seats, now the Congress's demand has gone up from 60 to 65, which means the RJD is unlikely to accept that. And that is where I think there's a state of limbo. However, top Congress sources are telling us that don't worry, this is something which is going to be sorted out. It does get eventually sorted out, Griha, but the jar or the scar of the negotiation usually remains.
Absolutely. We're talking about the RJD, possibly some sort of a respite that's coming in as Prashant Kishore has chosen not to fight from Raghopur, which is the RJD bastion. Let's in fact listen into Prashant Kishore on what he has to say about this battle for Bihar.
नहीं करेंगे। अभी वो निर्णय हो गया है पार्टी में।
चंचल सिंह जी का राघोपुर से करने के बाद तो आप कॉन्टेस्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं?
नहीं कर रहे हैं। पार्टी ने निर्णय लिया है कि मेरे पास पहले से जो काम है इसी को अगर मैं पूरी तरीके से कर लूं तो काफ़ी है। तो अगर मैं चुनाव लड़ने जाऊंगा तो 2-4-5 दिन जो नुकसान होगा उससे जनसुराज के कई प्रत्याशियों को नुकसान हो सकता है। इसलिए पार्टी लार्जर पार्टी हित में मुझे जिम्मेवारी दी गई है कि जो मैं काम कर रहा हूँ ये काम करता रहूँ।
एंड आप कॉन्टेस्ट नहीं करेंगे बट पार्टी को एक सपोर्ट
बिल्कुल, जो कर रहे हैं अभी जो काम कर रहे हैं वो करते रहेंगे।